regurgitating partially digested food into their mouths is called crop milk or pigeon milk and is produced by the specialized crop organ found in some bird species, such as pigeons, doves, flamingos, and some species of penguin. Bird species, the parents may bring food back to the nest in their beaks or feet and feed their chicks directly. The type of food that the parents provide to their chicks depends on the species, but it usually consists of insects, worms, seeds, or small mammals. Chicks grow, the parents may gradually introduce solid food into their diet and teach them how to hunt or forage for food on their own. This varies depending on the bird species and can take several weeks or months.